So this breakdown is all of my quarterly paying dividend stocks from the UK. So I just finished making a list of all of my UK stocks, and there's 83. So I can't do a single video or even a single watch list of all my UK stocks. I have to break them down into 3. So instead of uploading the whole lot, I'm just going to separate them out by each sector, each industry, and this one is how often they pay. Because there's 21 that pay every quarter, 59 that pay semi-annually, and 3 that pay annually. So the first one is Admiral Group. Ticker symbol is ADM. Trading for about £34.81. And it's in the insurance industry. Has a dividend yield of 4.14%. And it pays... No, sorry, I have no dividend information, unfortunately. I haven't gotten one yet. Next is Blackrock Sustainable American. Ticker symbol is BRSA. Trading for about £1.94 per share. It's in the miscellaneous financial services industry. It's an investment trust engaged in portfolio investment. Has a dividend yield of 5.13%. I'll check for a dividend. Yes, the last one I got was for 2 pence per share. Next is Blackrock Latin American Investment. Ticker symbol is BRLA. Trading for about £3.71 per share. And it's a closed-end company in the miscellaneous financial services industry. It's a dividend yield of 5.6%. And I have received a dividend. It was for 5.68 pence per share. Next is Blackrock World Mining Trust. Ticker symbol is BRWM. Trading for about £5.66 per share. And it's a UK based investment trust. Dividend yield of 3.95%. And I have not received a dividend from them. Next is BP. Ticker symbol is BP. Trading for close to £3 per share. It's in the oil and gas operations industry of the energy sector. Has a dividend yield of 5.29%. And the last dividend I received was for 3.7 pence per share. Next is British Tobacco. Ticker symbol BATS. Trading for about £27.30 per share. It's in the tobacco industry. Has a dividend yield of 7.93%. And the last dividend I got was for 53.9 pence per share. Next is the City of London Investment Trust. Ticker symbol is CTY. Trading for close to £4 per share. It's an investment trust company. Dividend yield of 4.82%. And I have received a dividend. It was for 4.8 pence per share. Next is Diverse Income Trust. Ticker symbol is DIVI. Trading for £1.17 per share. It's another investment fund, but it's a closed-ended investment fund. It has a dividend yield of 3.18%. And the last one I received was for 0.9 pence per share. Next is GlaxoSmithKline. Ticker symbol GSK. Trading for £14.68 per share. It's in the biotechnology and drugs industry of the healthcare sector. Has a dividend yield of 6.62%. But I have not received a dividend as of yet. Next is Imperial Brands. Ticker symbol is IMB. Now trading for £15.51 per share. It's also in the tobacco industry. Has a dividend yield of 8.86%. And yes, I have received a dividend. It was for 30 pence per share. Next is JPMorgan European Income. Ticker symbol JETI. Trading for about £1.61 per share. It's an investment trust. Has a dividend yield of 4.34%. And the last dividend I received was for 2.5 pence per share. Next is Lloyd's Banking Group. Ticker symbol LLOY. Trading for 43 pence per share. It's a regional banks industry. Has a dividend yield of 2.82%. But I have not received a dividend as of yet. Next is Pershing Square Holdings. Ticker symbol is PSH. Trading for £25.60 per share. This is usually the layout of an ETF. So all I know is that it pays a dividend every quarter, but I have not received one as of yet. Next is Royal Dutch Shell. Ticker symbol is RDSB. So, trading for £14.42 per share. It's in the oil and gas operations industry. It's based in the Netherlands. Has a dividend yield of 3.77%. And the last dividend I received was for 12.26 pence per share. And I think last year, before oil hit like 25-year lows, it was paying like 30 pence per share, but they cut 2/3 off the dividend last year. Next is Schroeder Real Estate Investment Trust. Ticker symbol is SREI. Trading for about 52 pence per share. And it's a REIT, real estate investment company. Dividend yield of 4.91%. And I don't think I've received a dividend from them. No, I haven't, unfortunately. Next is the Renewables Infrastructure Group. Ticker symbol is TRIG. Trading for about £1.25 per share. Has a dividend yield of 5.21%. It's a closed-end investment company, but I have not received a dividend from them. Next is Tritax Big Box Real Estate Investment Trust. Ticker symbol is BBOX. Trading for about £2.33 per share. It's in the real estate operations industry, but it's a REIT, a real estate investment trust. Dividend yield is 2.76%. And the last dividend I received was for 1.71 pence per share. Next is the UK Commercial Property Real Estate Investment Trust. Ticker symbol is UKCM. Trading for about 78 pence per share. It's another real estate investment trust. Has a dividend yield of 3.13%. And the last dividend I received was for 0.51 pence per share. Now, third last, we have Unilever. Ticker symbol is ULVR. Trading for very close to £40 per share. Right, sorry. Yeah, I was looking at this. So about £40 per share. It's in the personal and household products industry. It's a fast-moving consumer goods company, which is an FMCG company. Has a dividend yield of 3.62%. And I have not received a dividend as of yet. Second last is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Ticker symbol is VUSA. So it's trading for about £62 per share. And it's an ETF, exchange traded fund. The last dividend I received was for 16 pence per share. And last is Vanguard FTSE All World in pounds. So ticker symbol is VWRL. And it's another ETF, an exchange traded fund. And the last dividend I received from them was 42 pence per share. So that's all the quarterly paying UK stocks that I currently have. I've only got 3 that are annually paying, and the rest are all semi-annual. Yeah, there's a huge list of them. So we can see from, like, if I was to work out how many of these are red and how many are green, say, on any given day, you can see how a particular country's market in general is doing. It'll be interesting to see, because it's spread out across lots of different sectors, all of the UK stocks. But there's way too many to put in one video. So I hope this was useful. There's not a particularly huge amount of stocks that pay a quarterly dividend that are based in the UK. So hopefully you enjoy this and you get some use out of it.